This is what I do. When I have ripe banana, to a bowl add ripe banana, eggs and mix together until well combined. Add ground nutmeg, all-purpose flour and mix together.
The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below.
To a bowl with warm evaporated milk, add instant yeast and mix. Add to the flour and mix until the batter is very well combined. Cover and allow to rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the batter looks like so. Remove any excess air bubbles like so. To a lightly greased pan, add some batter and cook on each side for 2-3 minutes.
If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much.
Continue until all the batter is prepared. Enjoy with any spread of choice like peanut butter, jam, honey.
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, let me know in the comments section if you tried this recipe, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you receive a notification whenever I post a new video. And until next time, remain blessed.